Don't misquote because this could happen to you.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, how's it going? So, just wanted to go over a little experience I had. My name is Charles, my wife Anna right here. You know, our little side hustle is lawn care. And so we made this channel just to share our experience, you know, like with lawn care when we first started. You know, our first 3 years. We're going on our 4th year, right? Our 4th year?
Yes, beginning of our 4th year.
Yeah, beginning of our 4th year. And I'm like, hey, let's make a channel. You know what I mean? So we made a channel, Lawn Care, just sharing our experiences, giving advice to all the new lawn care guys coming in. So one thing we want to share with y'all is what y'all need to tell a customer when you're going out giving a quote. All right, it has to be specific. Okay, so for example, I just made a video yesterday. It's on our channel. It's on mulching a huge pile of leaves and pine needles. And well, before that, you know, there was like a 2-week project because it kept on raining on us. So I'll blow the leaves and everything, prep it, and a week I'll rain, and a week later I'll come back. It's raining again, and so finally we got to mulch them. So the problem is that I got done yesterday, and today Anna received a text saying, hey, I thought Charles was gonna get all the sticks and bring them to the front. And I told Anna, like, we didn't talk about that. It was just blowing all the leaves from the trees and from the wall and from the bushes, and I was gonna mulch them. That's all we talked about. So you know, customer's always right, you know what I mean? But I want to say it's our fault because I used to, like, the first 2 years I was making like little invoices. Like when I go out to give them a quote, I'll have like a little receipt book, and then I'll put their name, their address, the quote, and what I was doing, and I'll rip it up and I'll give it to them. Or I sign it and I'll give it to them. We stopped doing that. I just stopped doing that, you know what I mean? Because I saw there was no need to do it. There was a need to do it yesterday. Okay, not yesterday. 2 weeks ago when I get the customer the quote, because I can't really say that. Well, I said like, hey, we didn't talk about that. But she texted back saying she's an older lady, and she texted back saying, okay, that's fine, I'll move the sticks myself. I said, Anna, you know what, we'll do it, because she has like at least a 1 acre yard. There's a lot of debris out there. It's bad enough during the winter storm we had. She had a tree fall on her house, so I didn't want her to do all that. So me and Anna, we went out there and we knocked it out. It was how long did it take?
About an hour.
It was about an hour, just me and her knocking it out. And there was a lot of debris on the ground, like sticks and everything. And I'm like, there's no way she was gonna do that. Well, there's no way we would let her do it by herself though, because it was a lot. But that could have been that could have been an extra service to add on to the quote. Maybe like, it could have been like $100 from all. We made like 3 big piles of sticks and branches, and walking around the 1 acre yard, you know, going back and forth, dumping it in front of the yard. So that could have been an extra extra part of the quote right there, y'all. So just make sure. What I didn't do, like, I didn't notice all the sticks on the ground, you know. Correction, I noticed the sticks on the ground. I told Anna, hey, there's a lot of sticks, you know what I mean? She's gonna probably want us to remove it at some later point down the road, and we could give her a quote for that. But it was you know, what do you call it? It was too late, you know what I mean? She asked us, and I told Anna, you know what, we didn't talk about that. But we want to have her as a customer. We want to help her out. She's an older lady, you know, and we just wanted to help her out. And hey, who knows? You know what I mean? Like, she could be our she could want us to service. She could want us to be our lawn care people. You know what I mean, for the next lawn care season. You know, it's a pretty big yard. You know, like me and her were talking about the quote. We could be able to charge her, and it's pretty up there. You know, so there's something to think about. You know what I mean? If you know you're right, but there's nothing to prove it, hey, you know what I mean? You have to give it to the customer, y'all. You have to humble yourself. If you want your business to succeed, that's how I see it, okay?
Within reason.
Within reason, babe. Yeah, like, hey, don't get lowballed. That's why I'm like, oh, you know what? Because there were customers in the past like this. They'll add extra stuff. Oh, well, can you do this? What can you do? And I'm like, okay. I was new. I didn't know better. You know what I mean? So there are customers like that. So that's why Anna said within reason. But hey, this could be a potential customer for the next season, and it's just down the road too. You know, so hey, so that's our experience. That's our experience today with this customer. Hey, if it would have been by myself, it would take me 2 hours, and you know what I mean, because it was a lot. But Anna came out with me. You know, she's the boss. You know, she's the CEO right here of our little lawn care hustle / small business, All Coast Lawn Care. You got anything, Anna?
No, I mean, it's just one of those things where I don't feel that it's not an argument. It's just a miscommunication, and we made it right.
Yeah, she talks so well, y'all. That's why when the customers call, I let her talk because she's very professional and tactful. She knows what to say. You know, I'll probably screw it up though, because my voice is very, very hard. You know, but she's right. You know, we made her right. You know what I mean? We're flexible. We just, you know, we both agreed. Yeah, you know what? Let's go out there and take care of it. So that's what we did, y'all. But hey, that's all I got. Maybe hey, tell us what you think about this, about what we talked about. What would you do? You know, if you're on here watching, you know what I mean, like you already done lawn care, you know what I mean, you know, you've been through this. Hey, what would you do? Okay, hey, share with us in the comments. Cause there's people on here, there's people watching this video right now. They want to learn. You know, they want tips and advice. So if you're watching this and you've been through this, hey, leave a comment right now, y'all. Okay, and we're a team. You know what I mean? Let's help each other out. That's why we make these videos. You know, we help each other out. We share our experience. We share our work. If you want to subscribe to this channel, subscribe. If you like it, hit like. If you like this advice, hit like. There's more videos to come. Other than that, y'all, God bless. And anything, babe?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Hey, see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.